Transform your lawn with a stepping stone path that adds instant curb appeal. We'll show you how to tackle this budget-friendly DIY project. Start by planning your layout. Use a mason line or a garden hose to experiment with different curved and straight pathways and use them to mark the final design. Decide how wide the path will be. A width of 36 inches is standard, but 48 inches gives more space for two people to walk side by side. Then, lay out your stones on the ground and adjust the spacing so they match a comfortable walking stride. Once your layout feels right, trace the outline of each stone with a sharp spade. Remove the turf inside the outlines down to the soil. Add an inch of builder's sand to each hole and level it out. This gives you a smooth, stable base to set the stone. Place the stones back in the holes. Use a level to check that each stone sits slightly sloped for drainage. Consider about a 1/4 inch slope for each foot of stone. Set the stone just above ground level and adjust the sand as needed. When they settle, they should be flush with the ground. To accentuate your pathway, you can let grass grow between the stones, frame the walkway with mulch or rocks, and even line it with landscape lighting for evening ambiance. In just a few steps, you will have a beautiful stepping stone walkway that ties your whole outdoor space together.